Hey guys, happy Friday. We made it through 3 weeks of this now, of doing these videos anyway, which is hard to believe, but here we are. So I thought today would be fun, as a Friday treat, do another one of our interactive stories. So I'm gonna need your guys' help for this one. I know you guys, most of you, if you've been in my class, you know who this is. Don't push the button. And it's written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. There's about one of these for every holiday, but this is the original, and it's super fun. So, I need your help, guys. Are you ready? Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about pushing that button. Does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. All right, go ahead. Help me push it. Push. I wonder what we did. What did we do to Larry? Ah! Now he's yellow. Quick, push it again. Push. Oops, I missed. Push. Now what happened? Ah! Now he's yellow and polka dotted. Quick, push the button twice. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. Now there's 2 Larrys. Uh-oh. Quick, push it a bunch of times. We'll push it a bunch of times. Punch, 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 punch. Let's see what we did. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, look at all them Larrys. What did we do? All right, you guys are going to have to help me shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Are you ready? Let's shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake. All right, let's see. Did we do it? Almost. Now shake it a little more. You going to help me? Let's shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. All right, I think that might have did it. Okay, there we go. Look, he's reading his manual and it says, here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. So let me scratch his tummy. All right, let's see. We tickled him. He says that tickles. But okay, much better. Look, he's back to normal. Let's not push the button again, okay? But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Should we? No, I don't think so. The end. Bye, Larry. All right, so I hope you guys had a really good week. I still miss you like crazy, and I hope I get to see you guys again soon. We're gonna do Spirit Week again next week. Remember, we're doing it until this is all over, until we're back together. So me and Miss Brooke got together and we figured out our days for next week. So Monday, we are going to do Neon Day. Tuesday, we're going to do Farm Day. Wednesday, we're going to do Disney Day. Thursday, we're going to do Decades Day. And Friday, we're going to do Make Your Own Ice Cream Sundays. So if you are still coming to school, you can bring stuff in for that. If you're at home, send us yummy pictures of the things you create. But yeah, I guess that is all I have for you today. I will send out a picture with those on them in case you forget. Yeah, have a good weekend. I love you all so much. Mwah!